Thank you for watching another episode of Stallones Reviews. Our message to help you decide what to love making next. So we just got our winter Brickcraft set in, so our Christmas time kind of brick sets for all you brick crafters and Lego crafters and Flego crafters. These are great sets. And before we get going too far in our Christmas builds here, we do have an appeal for the channel. We buy all of our kits. We do not get any of them for free. We're trying to make the channel at least break even. We're not really trying to make a profit so much, but at least break even. Any amount you could give us would really help, but 99 cents a month would be more than enough to really help us out, get us moving, and working towards breaking even anyway. It's very expensive to buy the kits ourselves. We do not get any of them for free. You know, the equipment to film the videos, of course, and the kits themselves and the time it takes are all very expensive. So if you can see yourself to give us 99 cents a month, either through YouTube or our Patreon account, we'd certainly appreciate it, as it would definitely help us out. So we can keep making more things to help you decide what to love making next. Last year we built a bunch of their Grinch and Rudolph sets, and this year's going to be no different. We also got some Peanut sets this year, so you can see old Charlie Brown there, old Chuck Brown. We've got Snoopy, and we've got Woodstock. And these are just like nice little things that set up. They're on a stand. There were some last years that were actually ornament-like. I'm not sure if those will be ornament-like or not. It doesn't look like it to me. And then we've got Grinch, who's definitely ornament-like. You can see he's got his little tassel there. But we have a previous one from last year, but he didn't have these little lights dangling around him, or kind of Lego-type lights. They're not, or Flego-type lights. They don't light up. But yeah, and then finally, the Advent calendar. This is a Rudolph-based Advent calendar. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer IP. Well, Wife's going to get started on this one right away here, because that's the one you need to know about right the closest for if you want to get one of your own and start assembling it in time. If you're not familiar with Brickcraft, they do great sets. These are the ones from Halloween, or a couple of ones we did for Halloween. You got this nice jack-o'-lantern. If you turn his little side there, he's got a little glowing candlelight inside. Might be hard to see on camera. There you go. And then we have this Snoopy on a pumpkin with Woodstock on his belly. Both great kits. Alright, we'll get him building here. Thanks again for watching.